Honourable Attorney General, the Honourable Minister for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations, Ms Shanaz Voss, staff from the Ministry of Employment, and most importantly, the workers this morning. Thank you very much for having me today, and it's a delight to be with you here before you leave to Australia. As you know, the agricultural sector in Australia is facing unprecedented labour pressure as a result of supply pressures from COVID-19. So we're delighted that we've been able to call on Fijian workers to help alleviate that pressure that we're facing in Australia. And the reason that you have all been selected is because workers from Fiji are highly respected by employers in Australia. And so we're delighted that we've been able to recruit so many people from Australia. We hope that the remittances that you will send back to your families from Australia help alleviate some of the difficulties and some of the pressures that are being faced here. And I know, we all understand and all appreciate the great sacrifices that you're making on behalf of your families, and I salute those sacrifices. I hope that you enjoy your time in Australia and that you find it rewarding and productive. Before I hand over, I just want to thank Fiji Airways in particular for making this flight today possible. I know a great deal of work was done last night to board everyone. And I'd also like to thank the Fiji government for their assistance in selecting all of you and in making the arrangements which will allow you to travel to Australia. Finally, I'd just like to wish you all the best of luck in Australia, and I look forward to hearing some of your stories from your time there. Thank you all very much, and God bless you all.
Good morning, everybody. As His Excellency the Australian High Commissioner has mentioned, this is obviously quite in fact, under the circumstances, a very historical trip that you are making. I would like to firstly, of course, acknowledge the work of the Honourable Minister for Employment, Industrial Relations and Productivity and his team that have essentially carried out the selection process. You would know that under the Pacific Labour Scheme, under the Vuvale partnership between the Australian government and the Fijian government, we have this arrangement where semi-skilled workers can actually go to Australia and of course provide that and fill in that gap for the labour shortage that Australia faces, but also provide us Fijians the opportunity to be able to go have work over there. It is critically important for you to understand, of course, that you are going under not a very normal set of circumstances. You all got masks on, you're wearing gloves. I've never seen people wearing gloves and masks at Nadi Airport. In the same way that when you do go to Australia, there are certain protocols you'll have to follow over there too. I please urge you to follow them. Every country in the world today has its own set of protocols, own set of circumstances, and you're going to different parts of Australia where there may be different set of circumstances between the different states. So please adhere to that. You have been given an opportunity, please make use of that. And you of course have a fairly long-term agreement for you to go to and work in Australia. And it would be not responsible of me not to tell you that you need to be responsible. Please be mindful of that. You've been given tremendous opportunity. We have seen some of Fijians who've gone and worked there. Some have kind of, gone a bit off track. Some of them got tempted by the bright lights and various other, what may call temptations. Please remember that your family's back here in Fiji. You may have responsibilities here back in Fiji. But also, even if you are single, you do have an opportunity to be able to make yourself, a better life and earn some money. So please be focused on that. You also will, along the way, pick up various skill sets that you may not necessarily have the ability to learn those skill sets in Fiji. So again, you're building your own career, you're building your own profession. So be aware of that. I don't want to necessarily go into all the issues we've had in the past. Some of the workers who've gone under the scheme have had a tremendous time, have made wonderful savings, have come back to their families, and you need to be able to be very positive about that. I'd like to thank you for actually taking this opportunity. Some people are scared to travel overseas, and others, of course, are a bit more brave, and you are, of course, that lot. You've gone through the various tests that the Ministry of Employment put in place. So please take advantage of that. I would also, it would be amiss of me not to also mention the assistance specifically provided by the High Commissioner here, John Fix. He's working really well with us. He's been a great partner. Indeed, the Australian government in these trying times has been a good partner. Let's work in that sort of partnership framework. It would also be amiss of me not to mention Fiji Airways, because as you know, this is our national carrier. They have also, facing various issues like all the other airlines in the world, and the fact that they've come up with this, this arrangement to be able to take you. As you know that some of you may know this, but Fiji Airways has been taking freight only all this time. So the top part of the plane has been empty, but the bottom part has been, filled with goods. Now, today, after a long time, the top part will be a little bit full too, with you going along this plane. So, I'd like to thank them for that opportunity. Let's not make a very long speech out of this, but once again, thanks to everybody that's been involved. We wish you all the best. We look forward to you, coming back home. Take advantage, of course, enjoy yourselves also, but also work very hard. Thank you very much.